So Dad, the audience has been craving for you. I don't know why. Why do you think they were missing you? Is it because I'm very boring or?
It's nice of them. They're nice people.
Okay. You were saying there are some mock drills going to happen in Delhi.
Yeah, for preparation of Pakistani bombing in cities during the war, if it happens. So we should be ready. I've experienced this in 1965 and 71. So nothing new. कुछ नहीं होगा. हिंदुस्तानी सब safe रहेंगे.
And what about cricket? Anything you want to add about Punjab and Delhi and RCB?
Punjab rules. I want them to win the title this year.
What?
Delhi can go in the dumps because I've been supporting them for 17 years and they've let me down. Horrible, horrible Delhi.
Okay. And what about Virat Kohli and his performance
Virat
this
Kohli
IPL?
is Zindabad.
RCB are doing very well, but of course they're going to fiddle it out in the end. They're just going to end. Mein Indians will win.
Yeah.
The Mumbai Indians will win.
I have a feeling Punjab might do something. Otherwise, Mumbai Indians.
And what do you think about Rohit Sharma and Pandya?
Pandya most disappointing. Rohit Sharma playing on the top of his form.
What about Krunal Pandya this series? He's been exceptional.
He's the man of the tournament.
And what about that Vaibhav Raghuvanshi?
He's the star of the future. He's a star already.
Did you watch his innings where he...
Yes. He is very good. He's not a flash in the pan. The future is his.
Dad, do you watch the Pakistan Cricket League ever? The PSL?
I don't, and nobody in India should.
Fair. What do you think about all these bannings of Pakistani media and Shoaib Akhtar and all the Pakistani channels?
It should have happened when we got independence in 70 years back.
So you mean they should not be entertained at all in India?
No way.
Okay. And let's talk about Trump. Is that okay to do?
Yeah.
So, what is Trump up to, and what is this tariff war which he's waging on the world and China?
Trump is a little mad, and slowly he will know the truth, and he will reverse all these stupid decisions.
Is Trump siding with Russia or with Ukraine or with God knows who?
Trump is confused.
Okay. Audience जानना चाहती है, will there be a war?
6 to 7 day war in which parts of Pakistan will be blown to smithereens. Nothing will happen to India. They dare not use the nuclear weapon because then it's the end for them. Pakistan was once upon a time.
If you had to go back in time and speak to a 30-year-old yourself, is there any one or two advices you would definitely want that 30-year-old to register?
Yes.
What would that advice be?
That advice would be try to be a good son, but sometimes go against your dad and do what you want to.
Wow, that's deep.
Because have confidence, even if you're 30, even if you're 95, don't lose that confidence. At 30, you could be right and your dad could be wrong. But one thing, whatever business you do, try not to take a loan, because 70% of young people who take loans end up in a mess. See the facts. You're not Ambani or Adani. You're just a normal human being. And taking a loan and being a success, it's good in books or movies. In real life, it doesn't happen.
Is it not okay to take risks when you are 30 versus taking them when you are 50?
At 30, if you have a house and taking a loan is a sure short way of losing that house, though you might not take a loan against your house on mortgage, there will come a time you might have to sell it. It's not that easy. The banks offer you an interest, they will charge you an interest of 12%, they will say, but in the end it comes down to 17%. Go and ask any senior person, go and ask a bank manager.
Is there any Purane time ka song that is going on in your head today or the last few days?
अभी तो नहीं है कुछ भी, बट दो अगर 15-20 सेकंड दोगे तो आ भी सकता है.
दे सकते हैं आपको 20 सेकंड.
कुछ भी नहीं आया. मोबाइल फोन्स का जो चस्का लगा है हिंदुस्तान में, नई नई मोबाइल फोन शो ऑफ करने के लिए ये सब, ये जो नई पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू बाय न्यू लेटेस्ट मोबाइल फोन्स, लैपटॉप्स, क्लोथ्स, ब्रांडेड, बेसिकली ब्रांडेड. एक चीज़ में अगेन आई टॉक अबाउट मोबाइल फोन्स. मोबाइल फोन्स हैज 100 फीचर्स. You, especially you, know only 10 features. 90 फीचर्स का तो तुमको मालूम नहीं है. तो तुम क्या करोगे उस मोबाइल फ़ोन को? इतनी 1 लाख के ऊपर मोबाइल फ़ोन के लेके घूमते हो. Whom are you trying to impress? The world knows what you are. तुम 40 लाख की भी मोबाइल लो ना, लोगों को तुम्हारी औकात पता है. So don't try that.
Many people ask me to buy a Rolex and I'm like, I don't need a Rolex, it's a complete waste of money.
No, it's not a waste. For men to be well dressed, Rolex makes you a little better dressed only if you have the money.
Don't have.
Don't have, then don't buy. तो रोलेक्स ध्यान रखना, 80% रोलेक्स इंडिया में फेक बिकती है. कहीं से भी ले लो, फेक बिकती है.
I don't know if you're aware, but today, even if you go to a Rolex and you want to buy something, they be like, wait, we are putting you on the waiting list.
Yes.
And then 3 months go by, 6 months go by,
if
a
you
year
buy
goes
Rolex,
by.
Please recheck from the company with you have a serial number, whether this is genuine or a fake. You'll be surprised.
हाँ डैड, आप कह रहे थे बच्चों लोगों को कुछ और भी बोलना है आपने.
ये बोलना है कि यार देखो, ये ओवरनाइट रिच बनने की बहुत अच्छी बात है, ज़रूर होएगा. द थिंग इज, अगर जेब में 5,000 रुपये भी है ना, तो आज जाके 500 जमा कर देना. तो ये रोज़ कर लो, थोड़ा थोड़ा, 100 भी कर लो, 500 कर लो, 200 कर लो. ये इससे तुम्हारे मन को बड़ी खुशी मिलेगी. इट्स अ थेरेपी. आदत बन जाएगी, फिर वो आदत फ़ायदा ही करेगी. और ये सेविंग्स बैंक अकाउंट में नहीं डालना, वो किसी म्यूचुअल फंड में डाल देना. वो देखना बाद में दिस विल बिकम अ हैबिट. एंड इट्स माय ग्रैंडसन डज दैट. उससे सीख लो यार. वो मुझे कहता रहता है